geography. So you can see me with my our country map, and on my back side you can see it's a Turkish map of 14th century where they have given the concept of world at that time. And I have given my, as Mansoor Bhai was telling, I have given my email address and also my academia address so that you can follow it up on academia. To start with the introduction, you must have noticed that the Earth's surface is ever changing. In general, the natural phenomena like mountain, rivers, lakes, etc., changes slowly, while the cultural elements like building, roads, crops changes fast. Now, in this, when I say geological time scale plays an important role for all the physical aspect of the geography, wherein this mountain, plateau, rivers, all these things change with the geological time, but whereas cultural features or social geography or population geography, we find it changing every time. Now, traveling from one place to another place, you notice that the trees numbers and types of trees changes from area to area. All this is because of the continuous interaction in social science. But now, as it is, as this definition says, it has taken a lead role in science. So when we say science, it is earth science. Now, earlier when we say earth science, it used to be geology, geophysics, geochemistry. But then the basis for that is again a geography. Without geography, you will not be able to understand geology, you will not be able to understand geophysics, you will not be able to understand geomorphology, you will not be able to understand unless and until you study geography. So, geography plays an important role. It is like, to make it in a simple way to our student is, it is like MBBS and MD. If you study geography, only then you can study other further beyond other subjects. So that's how geography is like MBBS, and then other studies, if they go into the detail of geomorphology or geophysics or geochemistry, it is like doing your masters or PG diploma, something like that. Now, thus, scope of geography is in various disciplines like armed services, environmental management, water resources, disaster management, meteorology, and planning, and various social sciences. It plays an important role. Apart from that, a geographer can help in day-to-day life like tourism, commuting, housing, and health-related activities. Now, few more things which carry with geography. Now, cartography, it helps in surveying. Urban regional planning helps in town planning. Climate change analysis, it helps in geospatial analysis. Geomorphologists, they can become a GIS specialist. Climatologist, hydrologist, location analysis, meteorologist, pollution analysis, water conservation, environmental conservation, travel and tourism, soil conservation. Like there are many more other avenues which are there. Now, a cartographer is involved with the scientific, technological, and now I will not go into detail of this. You can read it. But then a cartographer plays an important role. Now, to understand the geography or to understand the location, we need a map. And the map, it started from the time when when the human being came out from the Stone Age and they come into that Holy Age, and then they started developing themselves and started living in together. From that time onward, this cartography has started developing. They started making a small map of that area, of that region, by making mountain, rivers, plateaus, and then forest areas and where they are staying. So they started doing that. And then this cartographers are being selected in SSC, Short Service Commission, or Special Selection Commission, so from UPSC board. Now, surveyors, again, surveyors also are getting selected from UPSC, and they get an opportunity to work in Survey of India and many other state government surveying departments. Draftman also was part and parcel of this survey, but now they have made it separate as a draftman. Even a geographer can become a draftman if they can learn, beside learning into the geography or cartography, if they could learn about AutoCAD and other small design, they can also become a draftman. Now, in government organizations, I'll just keep it like this. I will not read it out for you, but then you all are aware of it. In all the central government organizations, there are scope for geography. Again, in a public service commission. Now, beside this, one important point I would like to tell to you all. For all the state government and central government exams, UPSC or State Service Commission, Short Service Commission exams, whatever you name the exams, any government competitive exams, 5% to 15% questions in your general studies comes from geography. So if you study geography, you have an advantage of 5 to 15% over others. You will have an edge on others. Urban and regional planning. Yes, again in urban and regional planning, for village planning, for baldia, for corporations, your all the time geographers are in need, are in demand. Climatologists are also there for atmosphere and earth science studies. They are there, those who plan themselves for a specialized geomorphology and climatology, then they have scope over there. Now, mostly in people who are with BSc physics, they have a scope. Besides, they have a geography for this climatologist, and then also in SSC, it is from the Service Commission from central government. You get it, and also if you have an option with that in Survey of India too. GIS technologies. Yes, this is a technology now which is gaining, not just GIS technologies, though I have put it as GIS technology, but then we call it as an we can call it as geoinformatics or geomatics, wherein it includes GIS, remote sensing, GPS, DGPS, drone, LiDAR, you name it, all the technologies which are coming up, all these things become part and parcel of that. Now, for this again, there are many companies besides NRSC, Survey of India, State Remote Sensing Centers. There are very leading companies, Now Yuga Infratech, RSI Remote Sensing Instrument, Tech Mahindra, Google, Apple. All these companies, beside even Reliance, are also taking people with this background. Beside GIS, in the GIS domain, if you could build up yourself with a small programming and visual basic, then you will have upper edge with the rest of the people. Otherwise, you'll become like only digitizer or a small role. Meteorologist study relationship between atmosphere and character. This terminology is a definition I will not tell, but you also have a scope in meteorology department. Now, transportation management is now again gaining, it's booming up. As you all are studied, I'm sure if you are there in a graduation level, you might have studied about that. Transportation is a key for economic growth of a country. So transportation plays an important role. So then geographers, you study also transport geography, so you have very good scope, bright scope in that field also. For housing infrastructure, for various technologies they are using it, and for integrated transport system which is now taking a lead. So there geographers role plays an important role and have a bright career into that. Environmental management. Yes, environment is not taking up, and in fact before that I just missed one important point. Even in United Nations, if you could Google it out, you will find an office of cartography. So cartography is that important. So cartography is part and parcel of geography, and in fact, in my department in Usmani University in '79 we established a center, India. It is known as Indian National Cartographic Association. So, based guidelines of International Cartographers Association by Professor Shah Manzoor Alam. And we find this cartographic center also in Harvard, also geography in Harvard University in UK. So there is a lot of scope with geography. Now, environment is booming up, and then also United Nations talking about environment, and in that environment, to really understand environment, geographers can understand it in much better way. I would like to share one important event which took place with me. 15 साल 18 साल पहले जब हैदराबाद का एयरपोर्ट बेगमपेट पे था, एक यूके से सेम फ्रॉम दैट ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के एक प्रोफेसर यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए आए थे. So I went to receive him. He was from a language, not from geography. He was from a language. He was an English professor. So I went. One of my friend asked me to come. So I was having my vehicle. I went there to receive him. जब एयरपोर्ट से बाहर आया, आने के बाद में उनको ग्रीट करने के बाद में उनसे पूछे कि कौन है, क्या है, इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ. मैं ज्योग्राफी स्टूडेंट, ज्योग्राफी का फैकल्टी हूँ पार्ट टाइम स्टूडेंट. जब एट द टाइम आई वाज पार्ट टाइम फैकल्टी. ये बताया तो देन ही इमीडिएटली आस्क्ड मी, दुनिया को कौन अच्छी तरह समझते हैं. मेरे नज़र में दो लोग समझ सकते हैं, आप बताइए कौन है, आपको मालूम है. अब ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं तो मैं हंस लेते हुए मैं बोल दिया कि भाई हाँ भाई हम ज्योग्राफी वाले समझते हैं, और दूसरा आप इंग्लिश वाले समझते, ताकि आप लोग इंग्लिश में अच्छे से अफसाने लिखते हैं. Then he got little annoyed and angry on me. Said, ऐसे हवा में बात नहीं करना है, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मैं इतना सीरियस सवाल कर रहा हूँ. Then I surrendered. I said, sir, I raised up my hands. I'm not aware. Immediately what he told me is, geographer दुनिया को समझ सकता है, बाकी बनाया सो वाला क्रिएटर अल्लाह समझ सकता है, ईश्वर समझ सकता है. So that is the importance of geography. Now researchers in many government organizations and non-government organizations, people are opting for taking the people who are with a geography background. In education, if we study our graduation and post graduation and then do your research, when you do your post graduation, if you study seriously with your books and then write your UGC net exam, and if you qualify and if you are less than 30 years, then you can also get qualify and get your fellowship JRF with 30 plus thousand per month, and then you get some stipend and you can do your research, and then you also have a scope across India, and then once you finish your doctorate, you have a scope of becoming a teacher at school level, which are very good schools of international repute, where they also paying like almost equal to on par with the university teachers. You can get into that. If you want to teach children or kids, or if you are very good and comfortable, then you can also do with the lecturer, assistant professor, and professors in the universities. And also in demographer, that census of India, there is an option there. And then beside that, in your education purpose, when you're trying to talk about in GIS, I was talking about, you have a lot of scope in GIS, remote sensing field, and across globe there is an option available there.
Vijay, Vijay,
Some of my students now, one of my student, he is there in the ITC Netherlands, Vijayan. There's another student, 3 years back, she completed her master's. Now she is there, she's working and also studying in Canada, Atiani. The many students who have also gone to foreign countries, they are working there at the same time. They went for study and they got a job because their basis was geography. Any questions? And so why I finished my